Mortgage rates set to drop, TV license going up, and buy now, pay later finally getting some proper regulation. This is a roundup of this week's biggest money topics in the UK. Broke baby, back with a daily video. Today's video, I'm doing a roundup of some of the biggest topics like I mentioned, and we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna start with interest rates and mortgage rates set to drop. So starting off with The Sun, mortgagee, millions of homeowners set for cheaper mortgage bills as Bank of England to cut interest rates before Easter. So the Bank of England, I'm not going to stick on The Sun, I don't like The Sun. Money Week, proper article. Bank of England held interest rates at 3.75% in their February meeting, but most experts believe that in their Easter meeting, their March meeting, is going to drop to 3.5%. And if interest rates drop, if the Bank of England drop interest rates, that means mortgage rates will be set to drop as well. Some people predicting to drop, they're going to drop as low as 3% by the end of 2026. So what does this mean for mortgages? Well, a 3% mortgage rate will be the lowest in about 4 or 5 years, and a lot of people will be enticed by that rate. A lot of people will probably press the button, pull the trigger on buying their house. Interest rates have definitely put off a lot of people recently. I've definitely been putting off by buying more properties. I've been looking over the last 2 or 3 years to increase my property portfolio, and the interest rates, it just didn't seem like a good investment at the time. So if interest rates go to 3%, then more people will be looking to buy. So that's it in a nutshell. I mean, it's not really anything confirmed yet. It's speculation, so we won't look too much into that one. The next one, which has been confirmed, TV license fee to rise by £5.50 to £180 a year from the 1st of April 2026. Here's what you need to know. This is a money saving expert. I've not read this article yet, so let's have a read together. The annual standard colour TV license will rise to £180 from the 1st of April, an increase of £5.50 on the current price of £174.50 a year, the government has announced. The cost of a black and white TV license, still used by several thousand households, that is absolutely wild, by the way, will also rise by £2. First, I can't take that one seriously. If you got a black and white TV, that's wild, I can't lie. TV license. In my opinion, Gen Z are not paying TV license. Millennial are less likely to pay TV license. Do you live stream TV? Do you watch live TV or the BBC? I never watch live TV. I use my streaming services. I mostly watch YouTube. Netflix, you don't have to use it for Netflix, I'm pretty sure at the moment. I think they're trying to bring into play that you'll need a TV license for Netflix, but I don't think they'll be able to enforce that. If you're not watching live TV, essentially you don't have to pay for a TV license. And if you're not watching BBC, why would I watch BBC? I watch football at the pub, to be honest. Like I'm pretty sure most people don't really pay for football streaming services. It's too expensive in the UK. It's upwards of £50 to get Sky Sports and TNT. If you're watching both of them together, 50, 60, 70 pounds. Who can afford that? So TV license for me is a non-starter, but if you do pay TV license, it's increasing. And the last topic I want to look at is buy now, pay later rules finalized, but key protections won't take force until this summer. So I actually made a video about this. So the main changes to look at, starting from the 15th of July 2026, firms will need to be FCA authorized in order to offer buy now, pay later agreements. This means they'll need to provide the following services to consumers: clear information about the agreement, including how much your payment will be, when they'll be due, and what happens if you miss a payment. Proportionate affordability checks for all purchases. I'm not going to read through all of these, but you can get what that means. Affordability checks, same as like mortgage affordability checks. They're going to see your income and see if you can actually afford to pay this loan that they're actually giving you. They're pretty much giving you a loan, and it's not been regulated as a loan really. Notify straight away of a missed repayment. Again, does what it says on the tin. That is very good, because if you miss a repayment, that's where they get you. You get all your fees charged on top of that. Powerful Section 75 protection. So I made a video about this last week or a few weeks ago about buy now, paying later. They don't have to offer this because they fall under a loophole. However, they will need to cover this now. If you make a payment of over £100 but under £30,000, they will need to cover you with Section 75, which essentially means if anything goes wrong with your payment, if it's faulty, the item you receive, if the company refuses to give you a refund, they will have to help you get a refund now. So this says this will only apply to new buy now pay later agreements made from the 15th of July 2026 onwards. So it's not going to backdate it. Access to the financial ombudsman for any complaints that arise. Again, says it on the tin. If you don't know what the financial ombudsman service is, I'll link it in the description. Basically, they help you with your disputes in the UK, or your money disputes. So guys, that is a roundup of this week's money news. Buy now, pay later. Do you use it? Is this good news for you that you're going to be covered by Section 75? Do you have a TV license? Are you happy about the increase? Do you have a black and white TV license? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know that. Are you a property owner? Are you hoping that interest rates are going to go down during the next announcement in May? Are you going to hold out for the rest of the year? Do you think they can go down to 3%? Let me know in the comments, guys, and follow me for more daily content. I'm broke, baby.